One of the most effective marketing strategies you can implement is to warm up your contact list. If you send a cold text to the contacts on your phone, your conversion rate will typically be under 3%. However, by taking a moment to call and introduce the offer, you can significantly increase your success rate to 60% or more. Here's an example. Hey, I've come across this new $37 mobile app that's helping people earn hundreds of dollars a week using just their phones. I'm going to text you the link so you can check it out. Most people will respond positively to this personal touch. Let's break down the numbers between texting a cold list versus a warm list. If you send your offer to 50 cold contacts and only achieve a 3% conversion rate, you'll get 2 downloads. At $10 per download, that equates to $20 in commissions. Now let's look at the numbers of sending 50 offers to a warm list. At a 60% conversion rate, you would generate 30 downloads. And at $10 per download, you would earn $300 in commissions, which is much better than making only $20. What's even more impressive is that some people using this strategy achieve up to a 90% conversion rate. When they send out 50 offers, they are getting 45 app downloads, which translates into $450 in earnings. Here's where the real potential kicks in. When 45 of your contacts download the app and then use it to start earning money, just as you used it, you earn $10 on each of their download sales. 45 of your referrals selling 10 downloads each generates a total of 450 downloads. At $10 per download, you'll earn $4,500 in matching bonuses. Yes, that's right. You'll make $4,500, and if they each refer 20 people instead of 10, your matching bonus jumps to an amazing $9,000, all from a $37 app.